The bundle of sticks. Once upon a time, there was an old farmer. He had 5 sons. They lived in a small house near a big field. The sons did not help each other. They fought all the time. "I want his chair," said the first son. "No, it's my chair," said the second son. "I saw it first," said the third son. The old farmer was very sad. He wanted his sons to be friends. He wanted them to work together. He watched them fight every day. One morning, the farmer had an idea. He called all his sons to come to him. "My dear sons," he said, "I am old now. I want to show you something very important." The farmer went to the garden. He picked up some small sticks from the ground. He made a big bundle with the sticks. He tied them together with a strong rope. "Look at this bundle of sticks," the farmer said. "Who can break it?" "I can," said the first son. He was very strong. He tried to break the bundle, but he could not. "Let me try," said the second son. He was also strong. He tried very hard, but the bundle did not break. All 5 sons tried to break the bundle. None of them could break it. The farmer smiled. "Now watch this," he said. He untied the rope. The sticks fell on the table. He picked up one stick. "Can you break one stick?" he asked. "Yes, that's easy," said the third son. He took the stick and broke it fast. Each son took a stick. They all broke their sticks easily. "Do you see?" said the farmer. "One stick alone is weak. It breaks easily. But when many sticks are together, they are strong. No one can break them." The sons looked at the broken sticks. They started to understand. "You are like these sticks," said the father. "When you fight and stay alone, you are weak. But if you stay together and help each other, you will be very strong. No one can hurt you." The sons felt bad about their fighting. They looked at each other. "Father is right," said the oldest son. "We must stop fighting." "Yes," said the youngest son. "We must help each other." From that day, the sons changed. They stopped fighting. They helped each other with work in the field. They shared their things. They played together. The old house was now happy. The farmer smiled when he saw his sons working together. They planted corn and vegetables in the big field. The farm became very good. They had lots of food. Other farmers in the village saw the change. They said, "Look at those brothers. They work so well together. Their farm is the best now." The brothers were proud. They remembered the lesson of the bundle of sticks. They knew that together they were strong. Alone they were weak. The old farmer was very happy. His clever plan worked. His sons learned an important lesson. They understood that family must stay together. Years passed. The brothers grew older. They had their own children. They taught their children the same lesson. They showed them the bundle of sticks. They said, "Remember, we are strong when we are together." The story of the bundle of sticks stayed in their family for many years. Everyone in the village knew this story. They told it to their children too. And so, the simple sticks taught a big lesson. Unity is strength. When people work together, they can do amazing things. One person alone is like one stick, easy to break. But many people together are like a bundle of sticks, very strong and unbreakable. The end.